Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to draw a speech bubble or a call out on your Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Home tab and then going over to the Drawing section on the ribbon bar, click the down arrow and then scrolling down there should be a call out section. Select whatever speech bubble you like and then that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.